If you thought, baby, we outside. We outside, period. And welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and this one is going to be one that you'll probably start to see more often on my channel because I do work out as a part of my lifestyle now. And so I have some pieces for y'all, but I am super excited because they are not like normal workout pieces. As you know, the spring and summer spring is upon us, summer is coming, and so that means more outdoors activities and things like that. You guys, I have some activewear for you. Are y'all ready? Get ready. Are you ready? I have activewear to share with you all that has SPF. What? The SPF is in the clothes. That's crazy. So today I am going to share with you some pieces that I have. Wonder for outdoors. Y'all, I think that is so bizarre to me. Anyway, Beneunder, Wonder for outdoors. Workout and athleisure wear with SPF in it. If you're interested to see what I got, then keep on watching. All right, y'all heard what I said. Activewear, workout clothes, whatever with SPF. Girl, what? That is so innovative. I got it right here though. I ordered just a few pieces and I'm going to share them with you. Thank you to Beneunder Wonder for outdoors for sending over the pieces that I have to share with you guys today. I'm really excited because I think that is so cool. Like, I don't always, you know, as a brown girl, if I'm being honest, I was always raised to think that we didn't need SPF, and that's absolutely untrue. We do need SPF. But with that being said, I grew up my whole 36 years of living without wearing it. And so it's not second nature for me to put it on. So I have to be like active about the way that I wear it or the fact that I'm wearing it at all. And so if I'm honest, I forget a lot of times. But if you're wearing clothes that has the SPF in it, that's, you know, it'll protect your body. Now, it won't protect your face or any of that, but it protects your body from sun damage. And I, of all people, should know because I've been sunburned more times than I can count, if I'm honest. So I'm super excited to share with you guys the pieces that I got. I got a couple of shirts and then 3 bottoms. So the 2 shirts that I got are both the same shirts. I'm gonna try these things on for you so that you can see them, but I'm just gonna share them with you first. And y'all know how I am. If I like something in one color and they have it in another, I'm going to get it. But white, it's essential. And not only that, but I could wear this in so many more ways than just activewear or working out. This could be a cami to go under anything. But what I loved about this is that it does have the bra part built in. And I love that. I love that. I love that. I did order these in a size large. And then you've got all your washing instructions in there, but it also says, if you see right there in the tag, see if I can show you, it says that it has SPF. Look at that. SPF 50 plus, UV protection 50 plus. That's crazy. But yeah, this is super, super cute. Pick this up in this off-white. It's not really white, but it's like an off-white color. And so y'all know I had to get it in black too. Had to get it in black. Because those will go with the most things, and y'all know how it is. I be trying to make outfits, and so you gotta have the basic essential colors, black and white, period. So here it is in black, and it's kind of this not dark black, but it's black. Same construction, obviously. It has the padding in the bra, so I don't have to wear a bra, which I'm not busty, so that really isn't a problem for me. But I love that it offers a little bit of support so that when I'm not wearing a bra, I'm not like looking chestless. Does that make sense? But the padding that's in here is also removable, so I love that. But super, super cute. Really, really cute. I love the little design of it. Little intricate design. Super cute. And yeah, so I got those 2. Then I also got some bike shorts. Ew. Because yes, please. I definitely plan on wearing the fool out of these bike shorts because you can style them in so many different ways. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to see if they're have the names of the things on the screen because they don't say on the tags exactly what piece it is. But get into these. Get into these. I love the length of these. I love this little design. I don't know if you can see it, but that is so cute to me. And I feel like it'll be flattering for my tummy section because y'all know I've had 3 little people and I've lost weight. So that area is a little questionable. This I feel like would help to camouflage that. I just love the design of their pieces. I think that I love it. I love it. I think that it's really, really nice, cute, minimal, but still there so you can see it. But baby, yes to these. And some of these pieces are supposed to be like butt lifting and all of that. We'll see when I throw them on how the cake be caking. If it be caking. We shall see. Let's see. Next pair that I have. Oh, I think these are the ones that are supposed to make my butt be buttoned. Y'all know I'm stacked back there, but not really. Y'all know I'm stacked back there, but I could always use help. It could always cake more. Girl, you ain't got no booty. Stop. I got one, but I don't got one. My husband said I got enough though. Anyway, this really, really cute green color. Love this. And these are for sure the ones that are supposed to help to lift your butt. And I don't know if you can't really see it in the construction of them, but there's there's on the inside something that comes under your butt just to lift your butt. So I think that these are like so bomb. And I love the what is this part, this waistline, because it's not gonna roll down. It's super sturdy. I love this. I again got these in a large as well, and these are SPF 50 as well. All of them are SPF 50. So SPF 50. Love it. Love the color. Love the style. Love it. And of course you can dress these things up. You don't have to wear them as just activewear clothing. You can dress these and style these in different ways. I love their little design. I love that. It's minimal, but it's a little bit of statement. I like that a lot. And then last pair that I got are, I think these are butt lifters too, but they're black because you have to have black. Duh. So here they are, and they have the same design as the black shorts. Super cute. Super cute. Again, the name there, and then I think, yeah, the little emblem there as well. I love these. I love these. Like, I love these. All these pieces are just so good. And then under here, these have a little bit of a something butt lifting too. So y'all, the cakes is about to be caking, and don't be mad at me because I'm gonna be outside this summer, period. Y'all, I'm about to try these on so y'all can see. Hold your mule. Listen, Linda. Not on Snatched too. These also have some compression, and if I'm not mistaken, I remember it saying that. Like, they compress you a little bit. But these also have the butt lifting, like you can feel it. I don't know if you can see it, but you can definitely feel the part underneath your butt that's supposed to lift. Girl, what? Is the cakes caking? Are the cakes caking? Love this blouse. I mean, this is definitely not a blouse, sis. Love this top. Love the design of it. Again, I am not wearing a bra, but I feel secure. I feel protected. Could I have gone down in a size? I probably wouldn't. Because if it's too tight, then it'll create rolls and stuff like that, and you don't want that. But I think that this fits perfectly. I love the length of these shorts. I love the little emblem. It's minimal, but it's there. Like, I love that. I don't know. I know it's simple, but I love it. I also really like the design of this top. It's super cute, and it's also adjustable. Even though it's intricate, it's still adjustable. So I love that. But y'all, get into it. Get into it. I love. I feel so good. And let me see. Can we get a squat test? Squat test. Listen, I love these. I definitely will be wearing these to work out for sure. And they're so, I don't know. I just feel really compressed. I feel really sucked in. The design of these is so cute to me. Girl. 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 What y'all think? Okay, on to the next one. Girl, it's this color for me. I love this green color. These fit great. Like I said, I ordered a large in all of these. These do come from China, so you want to be mindful of that, and be sure and check out the size chart. So I ordered a large just to be safe. I would typically order a medium, but the large I think fits fine. Waistband is the word that I was struggling to come up with earlier. This waistband is perfection. Like, you can move, you can squat, you can do things. It's not coming down. It's so good and secure. These are bomb. I need these in all colors, because black, I need these in black. I need these specific ones in black. The way that they have manufactured these, the way that they have made these, makes them so flattering. Like, love them. Girl, love them. Again, there's some compression here as well. I feel like the cake is caking. Ooh, I love these. Ooh, okay. The last two pieces, the white shirt and the black tight, the black long tights. But these are my favorite. I love these. Actually, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I love these though. And I love how the butt is like buttoned, but discreetly buttoned. I don't know. Y'all, okay, next pieces. All right, y'all, here's the final fit. I am obsessed because I don't know, I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to see if I can see, but I have on the biggest panties and I feel like you cannot really see my panty line. Like, girl, these fit so well. They just, y'all, and please don't forget, because that's the most important part, SPF 50 plus. What? Like, who's ever heard of that? That's crazy to me. I love how this is white, but you can't see through it. Like I said, it's adjustable. This still coordinates well. Girl, this is everything. This is so comfortable. Look at how flattering that is. You ain't got rolls popping and all of that stuff. Like, this is some flattering stuff. I am obsessed. Like, girl, y'all already know everything is going to be linked down below for you to check out, but I love this. I think that this is so flattering. It fits me perfectly. These pieces are amazing. Get into it, girl. And it does, it has that like butt shaping, lifting. Girl, this is everything. Like, I just, girl, love it. Love it. Beneunderworld, y'all. Listen, to say that I hope they reach back out is an understatement, because these pieces, actually, they don't have to reach back out. I'm gonna have to go look. These pieces are amazing. I am super impressed. The fit, the feel is so impressive. The fact that they have SPF in them is just crazy to me. I love these. I love these. I feel so confident. I feel like I could do yoga. I feel like I could do bench press. I feel like I could do stretches and all of that and still feel very comfortable in these pieces. I can 100% wear this without a bra and feel confident and not feel like I'm overexposed or anything like that. My rolls aren't rolling. Like, this is so flattering. If you are looking for some shapewear, some shapewear, that's what it's giving. It's giving shapewear. But if you're looking for some workout gear or some outdoors gear or some fits that don't make you look bigger or that are flattering or that help to camouflage, baby, Beneunderworld, Wonder for Outdoors. This it, sis, because fupa wear. Like, unless I look back at this footage and be like, girl, it's right there, she's front and center. Right now, from what I can see and how I feel looking in the mirror, like everything. This is everything. Such amazing quality. The fit is amazing. And it didn't take long to get to me. It took maybe a week, if that. You guys, I love it. I can't rave about it enough. SPF 50. Flattering. Stylish. I could easily throw a little jacket on with this and some kicks and be good to go. And you wouldn't even, like, none the wiser. These are everything. This is amazing. Anyway. Y'all, like I said, I'll have everything, codes, discount codes, links down below. Check out some pieces. They have some other tops that I want. Now that I'm like, because you know how like you got to test them out first. But baby, now that I know what I know, if you thought, baby, we outside. We outside, period. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure and check them out. Thank you so much to Beneunderworld for sending over the pieces that are featured in today's video. Thank you so much. I'm super excited because everything. Get into her. Everything. Yeah. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be kind to one another, love on one another, and take care of each other. And we will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.